Okay, again, I'm just gonna go with this because if I wait till I'm ready, it'll never get done. This is the kids' downstairs play area, which I'm loving because we have the 3 teenagers and they like to come down here and do their video games and stuff like that. I'd like to add more fun stuff down here, but for now, this is great. I replaced like a regular little coffee table with a little more sturdy Pottery Barn kids table that was on clearance. So there's a big work area for them to throw books out and stuff, and they can put their feet up on it. It doesn't show up, and obviously the couch is kind of beat to heck, but whatever. And then Emma has her little area over here, so she can do some stuff. And Jackie's piano. I'm hoping to have Emma play piano a little bit more this year. I may pay her big sister to give her lessons. But anyway, so these are the 2 areas that the kids will mostly be in when we're home and doing stuff at home. So not a real traditional type area, but comfy, and it works for me. And hopefully it'll look better and be more set up by August 24th when we're actually starting school. Can't wait to see everybody else's. Thanks.